This is the Borealis Wildlife Series, where we talk critters, the land, and the lives that we share with both. Hey folks, Anton Kaska here with Borealis Traders. Today we're going to talk about skunks. I know everybody hates it. The dog comes running in and got sprayed by a skunk. Skunk gets under your back deck and then lets loose, and you've got to deal with that. You need something that'll get rid of that smell quick, and something that ideally you've got around the house, and I've got the solution for you. It's my go-to skunk removal kit for getting that scent out of the way. Very simple ingredients you probably have at home right now. Dawn dishwashing liquid. We always use Dawn. It seems to work better. Baking soda. Local market basket brands just fine. Whatever you got, use it. And hydrogen peroxide, just the standard stuff used for the kids when they cut themselves. So I think it's 3%. So we're going to use a quart of the peroxide. So that's 2 pint bottles, or one big quart bottle if you shop over at Wally World. You need a half cup of baking soda, and you need a half cup of the Dawn dishwashing liquid. No specific order. Pour that into a bucket, mix that up. You can use your hand, it's not going to hurt you. Mix that all up, and once you've got that mixed up, you can use a rag and soak it and wipe that on your dog to remove the scent. You can put this in a sprayer, although if you use it in a sprayer, make sure you've got a sprayer with really big holes in it, because it tends to clog them up a little bit unless you get that baking soda all real good and dissolved. You can spray grass that's hit by skunks and delete the smell. It's like a deletion tool. Best thing in the world, and cheap. Heads up, don't want to cap this. You don't want to put a lid on this bucket. You don't want to store it in a container that's sealed. It'll blow up. You don't want to do that because it expands. Best bet also for maintaining the potency of this ability to remove that smell is to not mix it up until you really need it. Don't pre-make it. Just leave the ingredients together. I keep a bucket with all the stuff in it in the trucks. We've got it in all the trucks just in case. All right? I think that's it. You all have a good day now. If this video helped you out, click subscribe, please. And send the link to somebody else who might be having the same problem or similar. I'm sure you're not the only one. I'm Anton, and we'll catch you later, somewhere north of the noise.